Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today you're going to want to watch this video all the way through, okay? Stop being afraid and finally get rich in SMMA. So many of you guys are missing the boat. And I mean literally. SMMA is a powerful business, but there's something stopping you guys, okay, from getting to the money, okay? Here's you, all right? You got a frown on your face. You got your hat on, okay? And the money's here, all right? And this is SMMA, all right? Most of you guys are watching the videos. Perhaps you've read the books and you got the courses and all of that type of stuff. But there's something holding you back. There's a chain around your leg, all right? There's a stake that's holding you back, and it's called fear, okay? You're afraid, all right? You don't know what to do. All right, and today I'm gonna tell you, okay, if you wanna make the money, all right, you're gonna have to kill this stuff because it's stopping you from making 10K per month or more, all right? Ladies and gentlemen, when I first started my agency a handful of years ago, I was dealing with a little bit of this, okay? But I didn't allow it to stop me because number one, I was working a dead-end job at a warehouse, okay, that I did not like and I hated, okay? I was overworked, underpaid. You know, I was sleeping during the day, working at night, working a graveyard shift. There wasn't enough money in the month, basically. There was more month than there was money, okay? And you guys know the spiel. You know, you pay all your bills and there's nothing left. And I had to get out of that situation. A lot of you guys are in a situation right now, but you won't buy courses, you won't read, you won't apply what you're learning. That's another thing. You got to take action. A lot of you guys aren't taking action. This is a big one, okay? You must take action if you want to make the big money in SMMA. If you look at the guys that are crushing it like myself and a lot of other guys that are out there, we're action takers. We take action. Matter of fact, we take massive, okay, action, all right? You have to be a massive action taker if you want to be successful, okay? And the title of this video is Stop Being Scared and Get Rich. Stop being afraid and get rich in SMMA. The things that are going on in your mind psychologically, ladies and gentlemen, to be honest with you, aren't really true, okay? My mentors told me a long time ago, get out of your head and become successful. And a lot of you guys, what we like to call mental descent, you guys are just thinking about making cold calls in your mind, and you're talking about making cold calls. You're watching the YouTube videos about SMMA, but here's the thing. Paralysis by analysis. You guys aren't doing anything. And if you want clients, you want to make money, ladies and gentlemen, you got to walk across this road. All right? And guess what? You're going to get your tail kicked. A lot of you guys don't want to get beat up. A lot of you guys don't want to go through blood, sweat, and tears. Ladies and gentlemen, when I started my journey, I got my tail beat, okay? In other words, it was painful, okay? I went through the ups and downs. I wanted clients when I started, and I didn't get them because here's why. Skills, baby. I had to develop my skills, okay? So when I first got started, my skill level was low, all right? And it's the same thing with you, meaning you don't really know. You're learning the ropes, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, you don't become a doctor day one, okay? It takes 10 years, okay? SMMA, it may take you, I would say, probably 1 to 6 months, okay? For the most of you guys, if you're new to business, you've never been an entrepreneur, it may take you a little longer, but here's the thing. You have to go across the road. I don't care what your mind is telling you, ladies and gentlemen, Just do it. Stop being afraid, okay? Stop it right now. Nothing's going to harm you. Nothing's going to do that. No boogeyman is going to jump out at you and say, don't you do no social media marketing. It's not going to happen. Why? Because I've been across this road. Just like you guys, I've watched the videos. I purchased the courses. I got the coaches, and all that stuff pays huge dividends. Okay, let's stop right there. You guys know I believe in investing in Mind University. Okay, and I believe if you truly want to get to the 10K and above, I'm on my way to generating over 50K in SMMA. You know, last month I did over $30,000 in SMMA. So I'm telling you guys, the stuff that I'm telling you pays huge dividends, okay? When I say get a course, because what it's going to do is going to short circuit your learning curve. Instead of taking 6 months, a course may help you do it in a month, because the people that created the course have already been down the road that you're going down, so you don't have to go through the bumps and bruises and the lumps and all the stuff that a lot of you guys are going through. And the reason why 90% of you guys aren't to 10K a month is because you don't want to spend any money on yourself. You want to become a doctor without paying the paying for medical school. And that's not going to happen. You can't be a doctor. You got to pay your dues. See, the reason why I'm, like I said, on my way to hitting over 50K, ladies and gentlemen, is I paid my dues. A lot of you guys haven't paid your dues. You got to pay your dues, okay? You got to invest in yourself. This is the best investment. If they say, Maurice, you can invest into all these stocks, the Amazons, the Apples, or you can buy real estate, okay, or you can put money in this fund, or whatever the case may be, or you can invest in your mind, what would you choose? Mind University. Because here's the thing, ladies and gentlemen, stocks go down, okay? Real estate can crash. All right, the funds and all the stuff that you can invest in, it can go down. But your mind, it can't. Your mind is your greatest asset, ladies and gentlemen. And your mind right now is stopping you guys from making $10,000 a month. You're afraid. You have fears. You have phobias. And I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, the worst thing that can happen in SMMA is someone tells you no. So what? You don't have any clients anyway, so you might as well make the cold calls. Think about it. Most of you guys are at a zero right now. You have no clients. You know, no money coming in from any type of home-based business, and most of you guys should be making $100,000 a month right now, all right, because of all the opportunity. It's so much opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. I don't even have time to sleep. It's so much opportunity. It's hard to sleep with the opportunity, even though we're in the midst of a pandemic and fire and all the stuff that's going on. There's still massive opportunity, because most people are now getting ready to watch football and basketball and baseball and all the sports. And yours truly is on his way to hitting over 50,000, while everybody else is out there doing these extracurricular activities, okay? So you got to be focused, and you got to understand that you got goals. And if you want to achieve your goals and take massive action and cut all this nonsense out and finally get to the money and get rich in SMMA, you got to cut it loose. And I want you to cut it loose today, okay? I'm a big believer in Mind University. That's why my trainings will always be foundational with mindset, because that's what's stopping 98% of the people online from making a dime is mindset. You guys have the same opportunities like me. If you guys want to make $50,000 or $20,000, the courses are there. The mentors are there. The videos are there. You just not doing the thing, because most of you guys make excuses. I don't have the money, Maurice. I can't do what you do. I can't cold call. Cold calling is simple. You pick up the phone and you do it every single day until you get a client. That's it. Pick the phone up and don't stop until you get a client. Pick the phone up and don't stop till you get a client. Don't stop till you get a client. You don't stop till you get a client. And that's the mindset that you guys must have. You can't quit. Quitters never win and winners never quit. Okay? So if you want to get over your fears, your phobias and take action, ladies and gentlemen, and finally get to this $10,000 a month, what I want you to do is take action, okay? Ignore the mental garbage. Your mind is telling you to stop. Your mind is telling you, oh, you shouldn't do this, you shouldn't do that. Your mind is telling you this stuff that you should just go ahead and do anyway. Your mind is essentially lying to you, ladies and gentlemen. Your mind is telling you all this bad stuff. Remember, the mind has been programmed to be negative, but it was born to be successful. Okay, you guys know that. You've been told no so many times that you're starting to believe that mess. You can do SMMA. Okay, if I can make it with a high school diploma, no college, you know, I didn't have any degrees or none of that, just pure will and you know, just wanted to get it done. I wasn't gonna let nobody stop me or nothing stop me. I just went out there and did it. If I can do it, you guys can do it. So cut the crap, the fears, the phobias. Nothing's gonna happen. Nobody's gonna bite you. No business owner's gonna hurt you when you make cold calls. It's not gonna happen, okay? Do the thing and get rich. Let me say it again. Do the thing and get rich. I'm giving you guys permission to go out today, pick the phone up, whatever strategy, email, Loom, Zooms, whatever you want to do, and get clients, okay? You guys need help, click the link in the description, grab the ICP course. You guys know I signed up 3 clients in 7 days. Grab it. If you need help coaching, click the link. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. Let me know what you thought about this video. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe. We put out Friday content like this to motivate you guys and help you get to the money. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.